बोलते हैं Radivesh Finance presenting Supriya Life Science Limited IPO 2021. Dear investors and viewers, we are going to talk about this company. Basically, they are Indian manufacturer and supplier of active pharmaceutical ingredients, that is API, with from focusing on research and development. As on October 31st, 2021, they have niche product offering 38 APIs focused on diverse therapeutic segments such as antihistamine, analgesic, anesthetic, vitamin, and anti-asthmatic and anti-allergic. We have consistently been largest exporter for chlorophenylramine, malate, and ketamine hydrochloride from India, contributing 45% to 50% and 60% to 65% respectively of API export from India between fiscal year 2017 and 2021. We have among the largest exporter for salbutamol sulfate in India, contributing to 31% of API export from India in financial year 2021 in the volume terms. Our pharmaceutical business is organized into domestic and export sales according to the geography in which we operate. From April 1st, 2020 until October 31st, 2021, our products were exported to 86 countries to 1,296 customers, including 346 distributors. We have grown our API business in several countries across Europe, which contributes to 17.40% and 18.53% of revenue from operations for the ended year 31st March 2021 and for 6-month period ended September 30, 2021 respectively. Latin America, which is contributed 19.15% and 12.01% of revenue from operations for year ended March 31st, 2021 and for 6-month period ended 30th March 2021 respectively. Asia excluding India, which is contributed 29.27% and 36.76% of revenue from operations for the year ended March 31st, 2021 for 6-month period ended on 30th September 2021 respectively. North America, which contributed 4.76 and 2.36% revenue from operations for year ended respectively March 31st, 2021 and for 6-month period ended on 30th September 2021 respectively. And in India, which contributed 22.53% and 26.43% revenue from operations for year ended 31st March 2021 and for 6-month period ended September 30 September 2021 respectively. Our global pharma companies such as Centec do Brasil Ltda, American International Chemical Incorporation, and AT Plain Jamato E. Desenvolvimento de Negocio Ltda, with whom we have a business relationship for over time, and Swain Pharma Inc., Acme Generic LLP, Acume Drugs Limited, Mankind Pharma Limited, with whom we have business relationship over 4 years. Our products are registered into various international regulatory authority such as US FDA, EDQM, and NMPA respectively. KFDA, then PDMA, TGA, Taiwan FDA. As of October 31st, 2021, we have a filed 14 active DMF with US FDA and 8 CEP with EDQM for our API product in therapeutic areas such as antihistamine, analgesic, anesthetic, vitamin, anti-asthmatic, anti-allergic, etc. For fiscal year 2019, 2020, 2021 for 6-month period ended on 30th September 2021, our export sales account for 70.96%, 71.85%, and 77.47% and 73.57% respectively for our September 30th, 2021. Our revenue operations from the export, it's a revenue operations from the export for fiscal year 2019, 2020, 2021 for 6-month period which is ended on September 30, 2021. Our domestic sales is a 29.04%, 28.15%, and 22.53% and 26.43% respectively for of our revenue from operations. Our business operations supported by modern manufacturing facility located at Parshuram Lote, Maharashtra, which is approximately 250 kilometers from Mumbai, Maharashtra. The manufacturing facility is spread across 23,806 square meter, having a capacity 547 KLs per day and 7 clean rooms. In addition, our company acquired plot land at measuring 12,551 square meter near present manufacturing facility, wherein the company is intended to expand manufacturing infrastructure for Then our manufacturing ability also demonstrated by extensive experience regarding production and distribution and control substance. Our manufacturing facility have received approval from US FDA, EDQM, TGA Australia, KFDA Korea, PDMA Japan, NMPA previously known as SFDA China, Health Canada, in relation of products being exported to the relevant jurisdictions by us. We have DSIR approved R&D facility at Parshuram Lote, Maharashtra. Our R&D efforts are primarily focused on across value chain of API process. On 31st October 2021, we have 23 scientists our R&D efforts and demonstrated by strong pipeline of products such as dextromethorphan hydrobromide, pentoxifylline, ketamine hydrochloride, and phenylephrine hydrochloride, allopurinol, before-tiamine. So the below is the financial year performance. Okay, fine, we are not going to talk about the financial year because already we have covered up in the case of percentage. So here we are going to talk about what exactly they are into. They are giving an API, API products, and they are exporting basically. So this is all about the company. Supriya Life Science Limited company details. Supriya Life Science Limited is pursuing certificate since 26 March 2008. Initially, it is a partnership firm as M/S Supriya Chemicals, and since 2008, they are public limited company. So this company is based in Udyog Bhavan, Sonawla Road, Goregaon East, Mumbai 400063. For further information, log on supriyalifescience.com. Dear viewers and investors, we can talk about their footprints as per fiscal year. 2008 incorporation of our company upon its conversion from partnership firm to public limited firm company. 2009 they have started production of ketamine hydrochloride. 2010 CEP granted for chlorophenamine malate. Ideal granted chlorophenamine malate. 2011. 2013 COFEPRIS and KFDA approval granted. 2014 US FDA approval granted. Ideal granted for bromophenamine malate. 2015 EU GMP and EDQM approval granted. 2017 CEP granted for pheramine malate, second time US FDA approval granted. 2018 granted bromophenamine malate and mypyramine malate and ketamine hydrochloride. 2020 third time US FDA approval. 2021 CEP granted for pentoxyphylline, esketamine hydrochloride and salbutamol sulfate. NMPA approval granted. Health Canada approval. So these are their footprints. And dear viewers, if you are aware about this company, basically they are having head office in Mumbai and their factory is into the another location. Basically they are not having the factory nearest. So here is, we are going to talk about over here the company detail, and about them we are going to talk over their milestone, what exactly they do. So already I think we have covered up a lot of things over here, and yes, just wait. If we can see, they are based in Khed, Maharashtra, Lote Pashram industry. So there is their manufacturing facility unit is in Ratnagiri itself. Okay, Ratnagiri MIDC. So this is all about their details. Okay, so if you really want to know, you can log on their company detail over there, over the website. Supriya Life Science Limited IPO detail. IPO opening date will be 16 December 2021. IPO closing date 20 December 2020. Issue type is book build issue. IPO face value 2 rupees per equity share. IPO price band between 260 rupees to 274 rupees per equity share. Market lot will be 54 shares. Minimum order quantity will be 54 shares. Listing at NSE and BSE. Basis of allotment date will be 23rd December 2021. Initiation of refund 24 December 2021. Credit of shares to your demat account 27 December 2021. IPO listing date 28 December 2021. Subscription prediction for Supriya Life Science Limited IPO. Expected subscription band between 30% to 75%. Yeah, it can cross also. More than 75% means 95% around plus. But usually it can, in between this we can expect. Please keep watching Grain Market Strategy. Yes, there are a number of IPOs available in the market too. So thank you by Vriddhi Finance. We will come back to you with the GMP detail very soon. And in the GMP we will explore more about this company very soon.